A couple of years ago, I tried putting aloe vera cuttings in the water to see if they would develop roots or just rot away. I was quite surprised that they did not rot but rather develop roots. I also learned that the plant's roots took longer to develop than they did when they were placed in the soil. This time, I am going to show you a better way of making aloe vera cuttings grow roots faster in water. What I have here are aloe vera cuttings that were air-dried for a week. This was not intentional. I planned to air-dry them for only 2 days, but I got busy and didn't have time to continue after 2 days. These plants already look dehydrated because they were in a place where they are hit by the morning sunlight. I also used the 1.5-liter plastic soft drink bottle as container. I did not use a container that is open on top because mosquitoes can get into the water and lay eggs, and I have to change the water every day. Mosquitoes are very dangerous, and this is the best container I could think of to prevent them from laying their eggs in the water. To make the cuttings root faster, the tip of the trunk should not be soaked in the water. What I did here is I made sure that the tip of the cuttings were barely touching the water. You may see that the tip of some of the bottles were in the water, but if you look closely, the tip of the aloe vera cuttings were not. After 2 weeks, the roots have grown and were longer compared to soaking them in the water that took more than 3 weeks to grow, and the roots were shorter. So, if you have aloe vera cuttings and want them to grow roots faster in the water, this is the better way to do it. I hope you learned something. This is Danny, and thank you for watching.